Right. Mahesh, can you first start with your full name, please?
Yeah, I'm Mahesh Nissanka here.
Right. So, Mahesh, where are you currently working now?
Right now, I'm working on Western Union.
So, in what year did you complete your qualifications at the Java Institute, and what qualifications did you
Uh,
complete?
yeah, I started 2011. So at that time, there was a fast track. So I joined with fast track and completed at 2013 August.
I see.
Yeah.
Uh, so, how did you first learn about the Java Institute?
Mm, that was a accident moment, right? So I went to one of the exhibition in BMICH. So that time I saw this because after A-levels, I just want to do something, based on IT. But this is what I found, which is
Right.
really good. Yeah.
So, what was the first company that you joined after completing your degree?
Actually, after completing Java Institute, I wanted to do higher studies. I saw for next level masters, but US we had some issues with doing US, but however I fulfilled that situation and after completed my studying here, then I joined Fidelity Investment. So that is kind of a large investment group in here in US, Fidelity Investment. So that is where I joined as a Java developer.
Right.
Yeah.
So, in your current role, Mahesh, so what kind of technologies do you deal with, and what kind of a role do you play in your current organization?
Yeah, right now, also I'm working with financial domain. So basically, we use Spring Boot, Spring MVC, and also JPA, Hibernate-based databases, which is we have Oracle databases. And in Java languages, of course, we are doing Java, but there are a lot of technologies like we are using Swagger Hub for documentation, and we use Mapstrack, AWS for Kubernetes for deployments, and we use CloudB for the pipelines. This is pretty much overall, but there are many. It's not coming top of my mind, so there are many.
That's fine. So, during your time as an undergraduate, what are the things that you feel that you gained from your experiences at the Java Institute, and which has helped you in your current
Yeah,
position?
yeah, that's a wonderful moment. I can say, even few months ago, I went to the website, Java Institute website, and I found out the course content because I'm very close with Java Institute at the moment, and I know the procedure, and I compare with a lot of universities that I wanted to go, like in UK, USA. So and found in even the university that I did my master's here. So they have a lot of courses, right? Other than technical courses, they have let's say lot of like other courses, right? Like general courses, we call like 100, 200, 300, up to 600. But in Java Institute, we have all like technical courses. Like we did SE programming for first year, and second year we did EE, and third year I think we did mobile. So none of university contain those all technologies together. So if you need to do separate, you have to get separate degrees or separate majors. You can do as minors, but in same program level, same degree, you cannot fulfill all these things in US, as I know, as I research. So that is one of the best thing. So if you can finish a degree in Java Institute, you are on full hands-on, and that's what we need, right? If you go for an interview, basically they don't ask which university they ask. That's one of the requirement, but
Right.
that is the hands-on more than powerful than a degree what you have, whatever the university. So I think that you can get from Java Institute.
That's a very important point that you mentioned, that yes,
Yes.
the university matters, but the hands-on experience matters more.
Of course, you can, even for an example, I'm experiencing those things even right now. So let's say you graduated from Yale University. I graduated from one of the universities that nobody knows in this state, but I have hands-on than him. I'm the one who lead in the place because I have a recognized degree. Doesn't matter which level, right? But I have hands-on. So that is one of the examples I can give.
During your period as an undergraduate, what was your experience like working with our lecture panel? What kind of experiences can you recount?
Lecture panelists are all of kind of became my friends. I mean, I know almost everybody, but I don't know the people who are joining after I left the Java Institute. So that time it was really friendly, and you will get the knowledge, and also very good relationship you have with the panels.
So looking back, Mahesh, on your career, right? What are your thoughts and feelings about it?
With the Java Institute?
Yes, and in general with your career as well.
Actually I can say I even didn't know about a programming language called Java before I joined to Java Institute. So the start that I got from there. So I right now I'm a senior software developer in Western Union. So and there are, if you become an IT professional or IT engineer in US, so I think everywhere in the world, you will get a lot of good salary and a lot of benefits. So that is where I am right now. Started from Java Institute, and I don't think without Java Institute I'll be here. That I can say, because I also people who work with us, people who studied with us, we all together we know what is Java Institute and what they did as a foundation.
So we are very happy to hear that.
Yes.
And what are your future ambitions, Mahesh? What's next for you?
Next, maybe I actually started my own company, but right now I'm working full time right now, but I cannot compile. That is a rule in US, like best interest. So that I cannot do right now. So in the future, that is I'm gonna do bring it up, and also we can produce a lot of job in Sri Lanka. But right now, there are a lot of jobs going to India. So that I have definitely planned with one of my friends that I need to bring those positions to Sri Lanka. Let's say we have 10 or 20, whatever we can bring from Sri Lanka. Yeah.
That's a very good ambition, and I wish you all the best in achieving that.
Yeah, sure.
Finally, Mahesh, do you have any advice for our new undergraduates, students who are just starting their journey in software engineering? Is there any advice that you'd like to give them?
Yeah, so I can say just do whatever they do. Like let's say if they want to finish degree or program, just don't wait after A levels or whatever. Don't keep your gaps. So just finish this and try to at least focus on basics. Then you can master eventually. but nobody can be perfect at finishing the degree, right? So we have to go for an interview, internship, and there are a lot of parts. But that you have to go, right? You have to face. So step by step, but do what comes first, right? So don't try to do next first, right? So go step by step, so you'll be there.
That's very valuable advice to take the first step, and then go take your progression gradually. So that's very good advice, Mahesh.
Right. Yes.
So on behalf of the Java Institute for Advanced Technology, I would like to wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining us. Thanks.